Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Green Valley National Park. Today, I'm excited to share with you the crucial work we do in wildlife conservation and the efforts we put into preserving the natural beauty of this area. Our goal is to enlighten you on the importance of conservation and how each of us plays a vital role in it. We're not here to merely enjoy the scenic beauty, but we hope you'll appreciate the splendor and serenity of our park. Let's start with our rangers. Does anyone know how many rangers are dedicated to protecting Green Valley National Park? We have 30 rangers working in the northern section alone. Can anyone guess the total number for the entire park? I heard a guess of 50, closer but a bit low. Wow, someone guessed 100? That's a bit over. In total, Green Valley employs 75 rangers. Quite a dedicated team, right? Almost two-thirds of them are involved directly in conservation efforts. Now, let's talk about our non-human helpers, particularly our tracking hawks. These birds assist us in monitoring wildlife and keeping an eye on the park's health. Our star hawk, Shadow, is incredibly adept at locating lost hikers and keeping track of animal movements. Despite the bustling activity, Shadow remains highly focused, which is precisely why he was chosen for this role. These hawks are trained, not just naturally inclined, to assist in our conservation efforts. Next, let's explore a less visited but vital part of the park, the Research and Rehabilitation Center. This center is where injured wildlife is cared for and studied. On average, we assist over 200 animals per year here. Just last year, we helped rehabilitate and release back into the wild over 250 animals. We work with over 50 different species, striving to increase those numbers as we improve our facilities. Even with the numerous visitors and the challenges of nature, we manage to maintain a high success rate in rehabilitation. This dedication ensures that animals return to the wild are healthy and ready to thrive. Now, we come to the visitor's experience. To enter certain protected areas of the park, visitors must be accompanied by a guide and follow strict guidelines. This is to ensure minimal impact on the ecosystem. If you're caught violating these rules, you'll be educated on the importance of the regulations and asked to comply strictly. Remember, we restrict access to some areas to protect sensitive habitats and species. We also monitor for any invasive plant species. The introduction of non-native plants can devastate local ecosystems, which is why we're vigilant about preventing their spread. It's crucial to maintain the balance of our native plant populations. What happens if we find prohibited items or activities occurring within the park? We take it very seriously. If anyone is found disrupting wildlife or damaging the ecosystem, they are first educated about their impact, and if necessary, further actions are taken to prevent future occurrences. Material for visitor education and park guides is predominantly paper-based, ensuring it's easily recyclable. We encourage digital downloads where possible to minimize waste. If you plan to participate in any park activities that require registration, please ensure you do so between 1 and 5 days in advance of your visit to allow for adequate preparation and staffing. Before we proceed with our tour, are there any questions?